everyone, and welcome to Ms. Happy English. I'm Jenny, and I'm very happy to be here with you today.
Hey everyone, I'm John. Thank you for listening, and thank you for spending your time with us. We are really happy that you are here.
John, today feels very special to me. I think many listeners will like today's topic.
Yes, Jenny, I feel the same way. Today, we are talking about something very exciting, but also a little scary for many people.
That's right. Today's topic is traveling abroad and speaking English.
Many people tell me, John, I want to travel, but my English is not good, and they feel nervous. They feel shy. They feel afraid to speak.
I understand that feeling very well. When you are in a new country, everything feels different. The language is different, the people are different, and sometimes you feel very small.
Yes, but today we want to tell everyone something very important.
You don't need perfect English.
You don't need long sentences.
You don't need difficult grammar.
You only need a few simple sentences and a friendly smile.
Today, we will share 5 very easy English sentences that you can use when you travel abroad.
These sentences are simple, polite, and very helpful.
So please relax, take a deep breath, and enjoy this episode with us.
Let's learn English together, slowly and happily. Let's start. Okay, Jenny, let's start with the first sentence. I think this sentence is very important, especially when you travel to a new country.
Yes, John, I agree with you. This sentence is very simple, but it can open many conversations.
The sentence is, "Excuse me, could you help me?"
I really like this sentence because it sounds kind and polite. When you say, "excuse me," people feel respected.
Yes, it is a very good way to start talking to someone you don't know. You don't sound rude, you don't sound pushy.
You sound friendly, and people like friendly voices.
You can use this sentence in many places, at the airport, on the street, in a train station, or even in a small shop.
For example, you are walking in a new city. You look at your phone, you look at the map, and you feel a little lost.
Yes, that feeling is very real. Then you see someone near you. You take a small breath, smile, and say slowly, "Excuse me, could you help me?"
You don't need to speak fast. You don't need perfect pronunciation.
That's right. Speaking slowly is okay. Pausing is okay.
If you feel nervous, you can even stop after "excuse me." People will look at you and wait.
And if you forget the full sentence, you can say, "Excuse me, help," and point.
Most people will understand you. They will try to help you.
This sentence is not only about English, it is about being polite and brave.
Yes, when you say this sentence, you are saying, "I am learning. I am trying. Please help me."
And that is a very beautiful thing.
So remember this sentence. Practice it slowly. Say it with a smile.
"Excuse me, could you help me?"
This one sentence can make your trip feel much easier. Okay, John, let's move to sentence number 2. I think many people will use this sentence again and again when they travel.
Yes, Jenny. This sentence is very short, very simple, and very powerful.
The sentence is, "How much is this?"
I really like this sentence because you don't need many words. You don't need to explain anything.
Yes, you just point to something and say, "How much is this?"
You can use this sentence in many places, in a shop, in a market, in a souvenir store.
Imagine this. You are walking in a small street market. You see something cute, maybe a bag, maybe a keychain.
You want to buy it, but you don't know the price, so you smile, point, and say slowly, "How much is this?"
That's it. No stress, no long sentence.
The shop owner will usually answer you with a number. Maybe they show you with their fingers. Maybe they use a calculator.
Yes, and sometimes they speak very fast.
If you don't understand, it's okay. You can smile and say, "Sorry?" or "Again, please?"
People understand that you are learning English. They are usually very kind.
This sentence is great because it works everywhere. You don't need different sentences for different shops.
And you don't need to worry about grammar. Just remember the sound. How much is this?
Say it slowly. Practice it at home. Practice it in your room.
Then, when you travel, the sentence will come out naturally.
This sentence helps you feel more confident. You feel more free when you travel.
Yes, because now you can ask. Now you can choose. Now you can enjoy shopping.
So remember, traveling English does not need to be difficult.
One short sentence can make a big difference.
How much is this? Try it and enjoy your trip.
Okay, Jenny. Now let's talk about food, because for many people, traveling and food are best friends.
Yes, John. Food is one of the best parts of traveling. But for many English learners, ordering food feels a little scary.
That's very true. You sit in a restaurant. You look at the menu. There are many words. Some words are long. Some words are very strange.
And in your head you think, oh no, what should I say?
But don't worry. We have one very simple sentence for this moment.
Yes, the sentence is, I'd like to order this, please.
This sentence is very useful because you don't need to know the food name.
That's right. You don't need to read the whole menu. You just point to the picture or the line on the menu and say, I'd like to order this, please.
You can say it slowly, you can say it quietly. It is completely okay.
And the word please is very important. It makes your voice soft and polite.
Yes, people feel comfortable when they hear please.
Imagine this. You are in a small cafe. You feel a little nervous. The waiter is standing there.
You take a small breath, you smile, you point to the menu and say, I'd like to order this, please.
And that's it. No long sentences, no stress.
Sometimes the waiter asks a question, maybe fast, maybe not so clear.
And if you don't understand, that's okay. You can smile and say, sorry, or just smile again.
Most of the time, people are kind. They understand you are learning.
This one sentence helps you enjoy your meal. It helps you feel confident.
Yes, because now you can choose your food. You can enjoy the moment.
So remember this sentence. Practice it at home. Say it with a smile.
I'd like to order this, please.
One simple sentence, a happy meal, a happy trip. Okay, John, now we are moving to sentence number 4. This sentence is short, simple, and very important when you travel.
Yes, Jenny. This is a sentence that everyone needs at some point during a trip.
The sentence is, where is the restroom?
You can use this sentence in many places. At the airport, in a restaurant, in a shopping mall, in a train station.
When you travel, you walk a lot, you drink water, and sometimes you need to find the restroom.
Some learners feel shy about asking this question. They think it sounds uncomfortable.
But it is a very normal sentence. People ask this question every day.
And the good thing is, the sentence is very easy to say. You can say it slowly. Where is the restroom?
You don't need perfect pronunciation. People will still understand you.
In the United States, people often say restroom or bathroom.
Both words are okay. You can use the one you remember more easily.
Imagine this. You are in a big airport. You feel a little tired. You look around, but you don't see any signs.
You see someone near you. You smile and say, "Excuse me, where is the restroom?"
Most people will point and show you the way. Some people may even walk with you.
This sentence helps you feel calm and comfortable when you travel.
Yes, because you know you can ask for help.
So remember this sentence. Practice it slowly at home.
Where is the restroom?
One simple sentence can make your trip much easier.
Okay, Jenny, now we are at the last sentence. This sentence is simple, but very meaningful.
Yes, John, I really like this sentence because you can use it everywhere.
The sentence is, "Thank you, I really appreciate it."
This sentence is not long, but it sounds very kind and very polite.
You can use this sentence after someone helps you, after someone gives you directions, after someone answers your question.
You can also use it after shopping, eating at a restaurant, or asking for help at the airport.
The first part is easy. Thank you.
Yes, everyone knows this part.
The second part is, I really appreciate it.
This part shows your feeling. It means, I am thankful. It means, your help is important to me.
You don't need to say it fast. You can say it slowly and clearly.
For example, someone helps you find the restroom. They point the way.
You look at them and say, "Thank you, I really appreciate it."
This sentence makes people feel good. They feel happy to help you.
And you feel good too, because you are polite and confident.
Some learners think they need big words to sound good, but that is not true.
Simple English is strong English.
This sentence is perfect for beginners. It is easy to remember. It is easy to use.
And you can use it many times in one day.
When you travel, kindness is very important.
Yes, a kind sentence and a calm voice can open many doors.
So please remember this sentence. Practice it slowly at home.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
This sentence can end a conversation in a very nice way.
And it can leave a good feeling in people's hearts.
So, John, today we shared 5 simple English sentences for traveling abroad.
Yes, Jenny. Only 5 sentences, but they can help our listeners in many real situations.
We talked about asking for help. We talked about shopping. We talked about ordering food.
We talked about finding the restroom. And we talked about saying thank you.
These sentences are short, they are easy, and they are very useful.
You don't need perfect English to travel. You don't need long sentences or difficult words.
You only need simple English, a calm voice, and a small smile.
Making mistakes is okay. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a language.
Yes, English is not about being perfect. It is about connecting with people.
When you try to speak, people can feel your effort.
And most people are kind. They want to help you.
So, if you are planning a trip or dreaming about traveling one day, please remember these 5 sentences.
Practice them slowly. Say them out loud. Listen to your own voice.
Little by little, you will feel more confident.
Thank you for spending your time with us today.
Thank you for learning English with Miss Happy English.
We are very happy to walk this English journey with you.
Take care, keep practicing, and enjoy your learning.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.